How to log into Payoneer account. So if you want to log into Payoneer account, then first you need to open up your Payoneer application. So make sure to install the application, and once you've installed, open up the application. Once you've opened, now it will automatically take you to the sign in page. And if you want to create your account, go for the register, which is on the bottom of your screen. But if you want to log in or sign in, then simply enter your email or username on the first blank, and then you need to enter your password on the next blank. And once you've entered your password, tap on sign in and you'll be signed into your account if your information is correct. But if you don't remember your password, then simply go for forgot password, which is on the bottom of the password blank, so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, simply enter your password and tap on sign in and your account will be signed in. And here it says that your password has expired and you need to sign into Payoneer from a browser to create a new password. So my credentials were correct, but my password has been expired, so I just need to simply change my password. So that's it. If your password has been not expired, then you'll be signed into your account. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and thanks for watching.